Top 10 Best Practices for SEO Success with Your Business, Part 1 of 2. There are plenty of things you can do to get higher search engine rankings, from page optimization on your website to keyword research, building backlinks, and more. Even though the search engine algorithms which determine rankings change often, there are still tried and true SEO methods that are proven to help you rise higher in the rankings throughout these changes. Here are the top 10 best practices for SEO success. 1. Ensure that your website is secure. Most people today are concerned with the privacy and security of the websites that they visit. Consequently, this is also a crucial ranking factor in the search engines. A secure website will always rank higher than one that isn't secure. Talk with your web host or web manager about the type of security that is most appropriate for your website. A security certificate will ensure that your content is delivered by SSL, Secure Socket Layer. With SSL, your website will start with an https:// instead of http://, and the little lock icon will show up next to the web address in many browsers. 2. Add your main keyword early into the content. Including your keyword early on lets the search engines know what your content is about. Additionally, sprinkle the main keyword throughout the rest of your content too. This will tell the search engines that this term is important, which will help you rank well for this term. 3. Use unique titles, descriptions, and content. This lets the search engines know that your content is original material and can add further knowledge to the other information that can already be found on the internet about your topic. 4. Optimize your title tag for SEO. Always include your main keyword in the title tag for your website, and if possible, put it at the start of the title. This will give priority to this keyword. 5. Ensure that your website loads quickly. It's important that you make your website load as quickly as possible. Especially with the advent of smartphones, loading time is an important ranking factor in the search engines. Compress the size of images, remove any unneeded code, and consider using a content delivery network, CDN. If you use a CDN, your website will be able to serve images and other media from servers that are close to your audience, thus cutting down on the loading time. Many web hosts now use CDNs to deliver content for their clients' websites. Talk with your web host or your web manager about this priority. If you have a WordPress site, there are many plugins that help you speed up the loading time for your website. For more videos, follow us on our YouTube channel Digital Promotion New Brownfuls. Like and share the videos and subscribe to our channel.